What's up everyone, it's your boy Tankian the Man here, and today's video will be something a little different. It will be a review of the Cooler Master Masterbox Pro 5 RGB. About the aesthetics, I really like its simple design. You know, simple and clean is definitely the way to go, and that's something I try to do on my projects, and having such a simple case, it's sometimes better than have just, crazy one. And moving on, let's speak a little about the front cover. As you guys see, we have, the simple standard ports on the front. I would like to see a bit more things there, but really standard, nothing special there. But the one thing I really like on the front cover, it's definitely the awesome window for the 3 RGB fan. Moving forward, we have the tempered glass. Something that I really like to see on nowadays cases, and happy to see on this case. Mostly because it gives that premium look that a case deserves, and that's definitely a good thing to see on nowadays cases. Another thing that I like is the 2 thumb screws to secure the glass in place. Compared to the H500P and not this one, it's a huge improvement. It's really solid, and I'm glad that Cooler Master listened to the community, and right now the glass doesn't even shake, so that's definitely a huge improvement to the tempered glass on this type of chassis, and I'm really happy to see that happening. In the other side, it's really standard. Okay, we have the black panel thing, but with a lot of room for cable management, so that will not be a problem for you at all. And that's definitely a good thing too, because you wanna hide all the cables, and having room for that, it's always good. Here on the inside, we have a power supply shroud, really simple one, easy to remove, easy to place back, but definitely will help you a lot hiding all the cables and of course hiding the power supply. Moving on to the hard drive bays, as you guys can see, we have 2 3.5 bays for the hard drives with a really simple mechanism to work with and strong one, so provides you a really quick access to your hard drives, and that's always good because you don't have a lot of bolts or screws to deal with, so that's definitely a good thing. About the Ssd mountings, we have 2 mount spots on the top between the motherboard and the front fans that in my opinion fill that blank space between both things, gives you a better disposal of your SSDs. I speak about the fans, and let's speak a little about that, because you buy this case, you receive 3 RGB fans and a black one in the back, all pre-installed. But being totally honest with you, I really don't understand why Cooler Master keeps placing this black fans when this is a RGB theme case. It doesn't really make sense, but I rather pay a bit more and have all 4 RGB fans on the case instead of this black ugly fan. I really don't get it. But moving on, let's speak a little about cooling. In this case, you can easily fit a 360 rad on the front, so that's really cool because it's just a small case and you can fit a really badass radiator on the front. I really like that, but not everything is perfect, and one thing I didn't like is the fact you don't have any mounting for fans or mesh or whatever, no ventilation on the top. I don't really get it. I would like to see some improvement there. I don't understand why they didn't place anything there. So what is the conclusion? Well, it depends on what you want, but in overall I really like the product. The Masterbox is definitely a great case with more goods than bads. So if you like it, go for it, buy it, you will not regret it. Give me your opinion in the comments, what you guys think about it, is worth it, what all you change to make it better, that stuff. And if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, follow me on Facebook, Instagram for quick updates, all that stuff. I'm Tankian the Man, and see you on the next one.